My name is Ben Tran. I'm the general partner for 500 Startups Vietnam.
Hi, I'm Haley, and I would describe myself as a sustainable development researcher and practitioner.
My name is Ling. I have two projects. One's the in concept and the other one is like a refuel station.
My name is Lee. I run a advertising, creative marketing digital agency called Wonderman Thompson. And my role is the CEO.
I left Vietnam relatively early to attend high school in the US.
I have been in many places, like 25 countries. But the more I traveling, I found that it's just like how people often say, like you have to think out of the box. So I decided to go out and I find there's so many things to learn.
Yeah, most recently I was in South Africa and Argentina. It was really helpful for me to be able to work with them, like live in those villages and get their input.
And it's helped me a lot when I came back to Vietnam and contribute for my country.
2009, 2010, the marketing spend in the online space was very small. We saw that would change, and you can see that globally as well during that time, that the following trends of spend. Vietnam then was a very resourceful country for IT workers, and that was kind of my trade. So that was the original intention, was to come back here and to start a company.
Vietnam is forever home, so it doesn't quite make sense to specialize in sustainable development and invest my effort in someone else's country as opposed to giving back to my own home.
This is where I was born, and I can feel like, connect her to everybody here. I can bring the value the most to my business, which is make me happy, also motivate me every day.
My vision coming here is really helping founders that are ambitious enough but don't quite have the risk tolerance to start something new, that I can support them with knowledge as well as money to start building on those ideas. It's my core belief that Vietnam will play a critical role in some of the largest companies in Southeast Asia. I think the major advantages that Vietnam plays is its abundance of engineers. Vietnam becomes a very interesting market for companies to sell products and services. As well, it's a great place to live. So there's an attractiveness to starting businesses here.
That it's exciting for me to be able to come back and work on a variety of ambitious projects, like helping launch a carbon positive handicrafts line, to something even more ambitious, like planning a community development master plan at the provincial scale.
I have a chance to be a director of communication for an NGO called Sống Foundation. Sống Foundation actually have two projects. The first one called Nhà chống lũ, and the second one's called Hạnh phúc xanh. We want to increase the green space by recovering and planting more trees in Vietnam.
And so that experience, working with people who are ambitious and who have that type of motivation, gave me the experience to bring that type of capital here in Vietnam.
If you want to grow and be successful, surround yourself with people that are better than you.
I think one of the biggest benefits that we offer is our community and our network. We have sister funds all around the world, from Silicon Valley to the Middle East, and we've invested in over 2,500 companies. So there's a lot of know-how and experience that our founders can reach out and get from other founders. So I think the support beyond capital is being part of a community where founders and entrepreneurs can learn from each other.
It is so important to find people who can uplift you whenever the weight of the world feels too much.
Never before in the history of entrepreneurship has there been an easier way to be able to instantly access hundreds of millions of customers from around the world. And so if you have an idea and you want to build something, there are many resources at your fingertips. The only thing holding you back is probably yourself and your own self-doubt. You should just try to tackle it and just try it.
just when you go down that road, as long as you have burning passion for something and drive, then you'll eventually find something that matches. And then you go for it and you just dedicate. And you got to work for what you want, and life doesn't come easy, and you just got to work hard.
What's come from the heart will make by the heart.